Hello everyone, welcome to SiteSignal. Let me show you what SiteSignal does in 5 minutes time. So the first thing, when you log into SiteSignal, you might not see this card. That's because you have not set up your domain. Once you set up the domain, you will able to see this card. First, let me show you the outline. I will show you how you can add a domain and then how you can add up to 20 prompts. Then after 24 hours, how you can add the competitors, and then how you can add the main 30 pages of your website, and then every day how you receive the emails. So this is what we are going to cover, and I will explain each of these interfaces and I will tell you how you can set up the domain. So the first thing, you need to go to add domain, and if you have many domains you will be able to see all of them here. Otherwise, add domain, and you can select whatever the plan you like to, and based on your pros and cons you can select the solution. So if you want to try it out, try the free trial. It has unrestricted starter version. It will give you 30 it will give you 7 days. You can make a decision. So let's say you add the domain, and the first thing you need to do is you go to the AI visibility and go to the prompts. In the prompts, we are categorizing prompts into three main areas. That's called funnel, and the funnel we are giving you the awareness stage, consideration, and the evaluation. And in the categories, generally you can have two categories. One is a generic queries and the other one is a branded queries. So what you need to do is, so we have covered the adding domain part. Now how are you going to find the 20 prompts? So the 20 prompts, the easiest way is log into your search console, Google search console, and download the queries people have typed on Google and upload that to ChatGPT, have a brainstorming session, and come up with 20 prompts that you can use. So what I would do is, generally I would have more awareness stage prompts and only a few of consideration and only one or two evaluation, because if you have optimized your domain for your brand name, if your brand sentiment is okay, then you don't have to worry about your evaluation. What you need to worry about is the top of the funnel and middle of the funnel. So here you can have more. My recommendation is have more prompts for awareness and consideration and have a few for evaluation. So now first you go to add prompts, you select the category, whether it's a brand one or a generic one. Generally, if it is a brand one, the funnel does not matter, because a brand one, what we do is we check the sentiment of your brand. We check whether you get a positive vibe or neutral or negative vibe from ChatGPT and Perplexity. So you can add the brand, and my recommendation is add it as evaluation, and then add a query. And then if you want to import, you can download the template and you can bulk import without a problem. So here, go to generic and add the evaluation, awareness, consideration, add as many as you want, and if you want to import, you can import. So once you do that, you will have this interface, and then after 24 hours you can go to the overview and see how your brand is appearing, who are the main competitors. Here you can see the main competitors. And the other thing is, if you want to see the awareness stage, you will be able to see how the awareness stage prompts are doing, and the consideration stage and the evaluation stage. So based on these prompts, you will be able to see the answers, and you will be able to see how you are doing, and also the citation map of your domain. So these are the citations ChatGPT and Perplexity has picked up for you. And if you have the generic prompts, all of those generic prompts, you will be able to see the percentage again here. And then sentiment analysis, you will be able to see whether it's a positive or negative one, and also if there were any negative dates, you will be able to see it in this section. This particular day you had a negative sentiment came from ChatGPT or Perplexity. So now after 24 hours, you know who are the competitors, and also you will able to see If you go to prompt analysis, let's say I click on this particular one, I will able to see who are the other competitors in a chart also. So right now we are the second result, and you can see Prompt Watch, this FastAIO, GenRank, all of these other companies. And you don't have to select everyone. You can select up to 10 competitors and then go back to the prompts and add prompts. In the competitor prompts, you can add those 10 prompts and say, let's say you want to know about why I should buy, let's say my competitor is genrank.ai. So I ask this question and I'm going to add that. I have added, okay, I'm going to remove that. Okay, done. So as you can see now, I have added the competitor prompts as well. Then what we need to do is we will have to wait for another 24 hours, because this competitor prompts and all the prompts are run, competitor prompts are specifically run on end of the week. So once a week only it will run. So after adding this, you will have to wait till next week to see how the competitors are doing and what are their citations and everything, because there is no point running this prompt every day, because we will not able to see a huge change or citation difference. So we are limiting it to every week. And then in the overview section also you will able to see those updates about your competitors. And then that is how you are going to set up your prompts and AI visibility monitoring. So that's covered. And then you will receive the fifth one. Sorry, we need to add 30 pages. No, okay. So how we are going to add the 30 pages is, you need to go to audit, pages, and add page. So here our suggestion is add the URL and add the page objective and the target audience. All of this will help us to determine how your page is doing and whether the intent is being covered on your page, and all the audits will run based on this. So here the plan is, you need to make sure all of your pages are free from blocks. It is clearly accessible to all the AI. So we are running all of these audits every month. We are not running it every day or every week. The reason is, you can fix everything and you can check, you can use any other tool to check whether everything is okay or not. Our tool is to monitor how you are doing in every month, so you will able to fix it, or you don't forget what has happened to your website. And the infrastructure audit also the same. We are specifically checking your server condition and everything every month, and then you will be able to fix something up. So you can see we are stuck on 84 for a while, so our team needs to fix it. And then rest of the things monitoring, this will tell you how your website is doing at the moment. So you can see its screen and the response time, and we are pretty stable on 300, and our SSL is okay. So if you have WordPress, you can connect your WordPress plugin into this connection into the dashboard, and you will able to monitor your WordPress website. You can see there are a few stuff that our team needs to fix. And then you can add as many team members as you want. Here we are not restricting anything. If you want to add any reminders, for an example, if you have a credit card that is entered into your server and that needs to be renewed or something needs to be reminded, you can add as many as reminders into this tool. We are not restricting, let's say you need to take a business license that is not really related to domain or the server, but still if it is related to business, add it. We have no restrictions. And then the alerts, so you will able to send alerts to your developers and everyone whoever you want. That's so there are no restrictions. We are allowing you to add as many as you want. And the reports, this is, you will able to see the monthly reports and also the white labeling. You will able to upload your logo and add the email. So this will automatically send the monthly report to this particular person. So you can add the name and the power prepared by whoever the person is. So all the white labeling are there. And then if you go to the monthly report section, you will able to download this. So this is generated on 3rd of December. This is the November report created on this date. And then if you need a custom report, you click here and add the date range, and you will able to download it without problem. So that's the everything in a nutshell. So you will have all the detailed videos in each of these sections here. At the moment we are preparing it, but want to give you an overall picture. Thank you very much. I hope you will win the AI race, and if you have any questions, doubts, please reach out to us. I am on Niraj at sitesignal.app email, or if you want to reach out to our team, hi at sitesignal.app. Thank you very much. Cheers.